Welcome to this lecture on digital transformation, where we'll explore why adapting to change is essential for modern businesses. In this opening segment, I'll set the stage by outlining the goals, rethink core processes, engage customers differently, and align technology with strategy so you can move from reactive fixes to proactive innovation and sustained growth. When we talk about digital transformation, it's not just about new tools, but reimagining how your organization operates. This slide illustrates four core shifts: culture and processes, value propositions, customer experiences, and new business models, showing how each element feeds the next to create integrated solutions that drive personalized engagement and unlock sustainable revenue streams. Holding on to legacy systems carries real costs: shrinking market share, soaring maintenance bills, losing skilled talent, growing security exposure, and reduced agility. The visuals here emphasize that inaction leads to strategic stagnation, so immediate modernization isn't just an IT project, it's a survival strategy to avoid erosion and enable future growth. Successful transformation starts at the top, with clear leadership and unwavering commitment. Leaders must set measurable objectives, allocate the right resources, demonstrate new behaviors that model change, and maintain a consistent narrative to build alignment. When these elements come together, transformation aligns tightly with business goals and becomes measurable through progress and KPIs. Putting customer experience at the core means mapping every journey, personalizing offers with data, delivering a seamless omni-channel presence, and building continuous feedback loops. The heart-shaped diagram shows how these practices interconnect to optimize touchpoints, deepen engagement, and ultimately boost both loyalty and margins through better, faster responses to customer needs. A robust data, governance, and analytics framework turns raw information into actionable decisions. Start with clear policies and standards. Ensure data quality and integration. Implement analytics tooling to extract insights, and translate those insights into KPIs that guide organizational choices. The pipeline here demonstrates how disciplined processing produces the reliable evidence leaders need to act. Adaptability requires lightweight oversight, rapid learning cycles, and the ability to realign strategically. Cross-functional teams operate with short feedback loops and clear metrics, enabling quick iterations and swift strategic shifts in response to market signals. This approach lets projects pivot fast while preserving alignment with broader objectives and minimizing wasted effort. A phased migration strategy reduces risk by running parallel systems while incrementally replacing components with modular, cloud-native alternatives. This slide illustrates moving from current infrastructures through staged transitions to a future state that enhances scalability, security, and data access, all while minimizing operational disruption and protecting ongoing business continuity. Strategic partnerships and ecosystems extend internal capabilities through alliances with tech vendors, startups, and consultants. The collaborative model shown here highlights co-creation, data exchange, and joint ventures as ways to access niche expertise, accelerate innovation, and share risk, enabling affordable capability extension and faster market impact than acting alone. Iterative sprint cycles and continuous integration speed delivery and enable rapid feedback. Teams plan, develop, test, and release in short loops, while a CI pipeline moves code through automated builds and testing into deployment. Regular retrospectives analyze user data and pivot quickly, fostering experimentation that shortens time to value and keeps teams focused on measurable improvements. Securing the digital future requires investment in workplace security, communication protocols, and distributed team resilience. Build robust cybersecurity and mandatory training, adopt encrypted collaboration channels and clear access protocols, and enable remote work with global talent pools and business continuity plans so your organization remains secure, connected, and operational under varied conditions. Creating a resilient culture means normalizing experimentation, rewarding learning from failure, promoting cross-department collaboration, and incentivizing continuous adoption. Leaders should cultivate safe environments for testing, celebrate insights gained from setbacks, break down silos to share knowledge, and establish policies that make adopting new tools and practices both expected and rewarded. Bridging the digital skills gap blends targeted recruitment with internal development. Hire cloud architects, AI specialists, cybersecurity experts, and analytics leaders, while investing in workshops, e-learning, and mentorship to upskill existing teams. This combined approach accelerates capability acquisition, closes critical gaps, and builds a more resilient, innovation-ready workforce aligned to long-term strategy. Adaptive digital leaders combine a clear vision, tech fluency, and empathy to guide change effectively. Sustaining momentum requires formal development programs, reverse mentoring to surface fresh perspectives, and exposure to emerging trends so leaders stay ahead. Together, these practices ensure leadership can translate strategic foresight into practical actions that mobilize the organization. Measuring transformation relies on essential KPIs and real-time visibility. Track customer satisfaction, process efficiency, revenue growth, uptime, and security incidents while using live dashboards to ingest data, generate insights, and guide iterative improvements. This visibility not only informs decisions, but also proves ROI by tying actions to measurable performance and business outcomes. Many initiatives falter when teams prioritize technology over people, ignore change management, lack executive support, or attempt risky big bang rollouts. The recommended counterpoints are incremental pilots, transparent communication, sustained sponsorship, and phased adoption. Adopting a structured, people-centered approach turns warnings into best practices and builds advocates for sustained change. Sustainable transformation rests on 4 pillars: modular architecture for flexibility, a continuous learning culture for evolving skills, committed R&D investment to future-proof capabilities, and environmental considerations like cloud-first strategies to reduce carbon footprint. Together, these areas create adaptive, resilient organizations that can scale, innovate, and meet both business and societal expectations. To conclude, follow a structured call to action, assess current capabilities, envision desired outcomes, select priority initiatives, secure quick wins, iterate based on data, and scale successes to entrench continuous evolution. This step-by-step path helps organizations adapt and thrive in a shifting digital landscape by balancing strategic focus with practical, measurable progress.